BarryTiger.
Rescue the missing princess.
La 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 la. I'm going to make sure that I show everyone the most beautiful dance tonight. Who are you? How dare you not invite me to the dance tonight? So you can't go either.
Hi, I am Super Police Barry. Tonight I am going to the dance, so I will be wearing a new necktie. Oh? Hello? This is Barry's police station.
Help us! The princess has been taken away by the witch! Please rescue her!
Don't you worry, leave this to me. Dear friends, it's our turn to save the day. Super Police, let's solve this! We are now at the witch's castle, friends.
Can anyone come and save me?
The princess is right ahead. Oh no, it's a trap! Uh-oh, how are we gonna get through this? You said we should step on the yellow bricks? Good idea! We will pass through soon.
But I am not going to like you! Change!
Oh no! The colors are disappearing! Oh no! Does anyone remember which bricks were yellow? Wow! You sure have a great memory! Yay! We made it! Let's rescue the princess! Don't cry! I'm here!
Super Police Barry! I am not gonna let you rescue the princess! Change! What's happening?
My gosh! So many princesses! We need to find the real one quickly! Let's find the real princess using these 3 clues. The princess wears a blue dress. The dress you're wearing is pink. You're not her.
Oh!
The princess has a golden tiara. You don't have a tiara at all. You're not the princess.
Oh no!
Oh, there are 2 princesses left. These 2 look identical. Ah, that's right! The princess wears orange shoes. Oh, your shoes aren't color orange. You're a fake.
He caught on!
It looks like we found the real princess.
Thank you for saving me! Oh no! My magic has been broken!
Don't move! You're under arrest.
Next time, I'll turn all of you to scarecrows!
Princess, you finally returned!
I declare the dance open!
Solve the case and the chase. Dear friends, see you next time. Super Police Barry's Safety Reminders. Hello, kids. If you're trapped in an unfamiliar place, then don't panic. Please be aware of your surroundings, like the appearance of buildings or signboards on the street. If you get a chance to contact someone, then please tell them the information.